Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we are here with new scholarship video and this opportunity is from Romania. So it's a fully funded scholarship in Romania. It's provided by Government of Romania for the session 2022 and 2023. We will show you how to get fully funded scholarship for Romania and we'll show you live application process with step-by-step guide and we'll proceed to that. Before that, please do follow us on Instagram and you can get the Instagram link from our video bio, and you can click that and follow us on and ask your doubts. Scholarship link is also given in Instagram bio. If you are new and watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, you can join and have our previous this premier membership. This is an exclusive membership if you want to have, and you can get the benefits mentioned in this. So you have very high chances of revealing some secrets on scholarships. And if you are new and watching this video for the first time, please do comment that I am here for the first time and please do subscribe before messaging us on Instagram. To get to this Romania scholarship link, you can check the video description below. Link is given in video description. Please check the video description. Link is there. Click on that link. It will take you to this website here. This scholarship covers bachelor's, master's, and PhD degrees. So there is no application fee charged by Romania government for these scholarships. So here are some basic details about Romania government scholarships. So here are 85 scholarships per country, and the degree level is undergraduate, masters, and doctorate. Financial coverage is fully funded, and deadline for this opportunity is 15th of March 2022. So means you have 4 months left to apply for this scholarship. Here are the available academic fields. You can this you can estimate that why it's 15th of March 2002, why there are 4 months. How did you manage to get this so early? If you subscribe our YouTube channel, you will get these types of scholarships every time. We post daily scholarships. Every day there is a new video, every day there is a new post on Instagram. You can check. There are a lot of scholarships you can apply for. So you have it depends on the number of scholarship that you apply for. You have very high chances of getting selected. We will guide you on each step. Just follow us on Instagram, and before following, do subscribe our YouTube channel. And here are the durations of undergraduate: 3 to 6 months, 3 to 6 years; masters 1.5 to 2 years; doctorate 3 to 4. It depends on your research. Then the financial benefits and coverage are also mentioned here. Here are the required documents, and you have to fill the applications online. Then we will show you every step by step guide on live application. And here you have some eligibility criteria. You should not be more than 35 years of age for bachelor's and master's, and 45 not for doctoral. And again the deadline reminder is 15th of March 2022, and the results for the selection will be announced in the 15th of July 2022. So you have result dates also. You need not to worry about anything. Just watch full video and click the link in the video description, and you will be landed here. Now, once you are done with everything, you can check how to apply section. At the each scholarship page, we have this apply now button. Just click on this apply now button here. Once you click on that apply now button, it will take you to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for the Romania University, Romanian government scholarships. Here you can check conditions. Everything is mentioned. On the left hand side, you have a lot of menus. On the right hand side, you have the messages. Now, in the middle of this page here, you can check apply for MFA scholarships button or directly click at this link. Link is given here. Just please have a look at this link here. I am highlighting this link. You have to click on this link here. Just click on this. Now, once you click on that link, you can check that it has taken us to redirected us to Ministry of Foreign Affairs scholarship for non-EU students. So you must be a non-EU citizen, and so that you can apply for scholarships. Now you can check that applications are open. Apply by 15th March 2022. So you can check how it works. Create an account, apply for scholarship, get an answer, study in Romania. That's very simple and easy. Just to apply, to begin the application, just click on this apply button here. Click on this apply button here. Now, once you click on that apply button, it will take you to the login page. If you are new here for the first time, just create an account here. Click on this create an account. Once you click on create an account, it will take you to this page. Now you have to fill the first name, last name, email address, and password. Then verify password and fill this captcha here. And once you click on tick that mark and then click on create my account. Once you create your account, it will take you to the login page. Use the same email, Same email and the same password, use same email and same password here, then click on login. So let's wait for a few seconds so that we can log in and we can check the page is loading. So you cannot do anything till that. Here you can check welcome Zanbert. So scholarships start the scholarship application process. Now just click on this start your application here. You have to click here so that we can fill the application. Now it takes, before you begin, just mention I am not an EU member country, I am not an citizen of Romanian origin, I have not requested or acquired protection from Romania. Just I am a okay, I'm not a member of do not offer. So you have to answer accordingly. Just read these. I do not benefit from a scholarship state. Okay, you have to check whichever applicable to you. Then click on tick. Then I understand, and it should take you to the next step. So here you have to fill the 5 steps. Personal information. Just fill the personal information. Then father's name, mother's name. Select the gender. Then date of birth. Choose the appropriate date of birth as per your passport details. You should not submit any incorrect details. These will be verified once you are. Just choose the correct stats. Then click next step. After that, it should take you to the address and citizenship. Choose the country. Which country are you from? So you should check the country. After country, choose the city of birth. After that, fill the passport detail, passport number, passport date, and passport expiry. After passport details, just scroll down, choose the country of residence, then city of residence where you are studying, where you are currently residing. After that, choose the postal address, then choose the citizenship, which country citizenship you have, and then scroll, click on next step. Now you have to fill the next step. So let's wait for the few seconds so that page can reload and take us to the next page. Now you have to upload the files, choose the degree, choose the desired degree. What do you want to study in the this Romania? I am applying for the masters. Do you need a Romanian preparatory year? So if you need, select yes or no according. So let's wait for the few seconds so that we can see what's there to fill. Now, do you need a Romanian preparatory? So you can say yes or no, I don't need. Then bachelor's grade. What your bachelor's grade if you're applying for masters? What if you're applying for bachelor? Then what was your previous grade? After studies and document mentioned here. Now issued by who have issued you this your degree. Choose the country. Now upload the CV to study in Romania. Just upload the CV. CV means curriculum vitae or resume. Now as you can see I have uploaded document. Now upload the birth certificate and the first 3 pages of your passport. Then if you have marriage certificate it's skippable. You can skip this. Now upload these two important documents, birth certificate, or if your any education document is mentioning the birth you just attach that, and then the passport. Let me attach these two first. So I have uploaded both documents. Now upload the high school diploma and high school transcript, then bachelor diploma and bachelor transcript. So after these documents, then you can click on next step. So it should take few seconds so that it can upload the documents that you have uploaded here. So now we should move to next step. So it's now choose the university where do you want to study. The option one preference, which university, whichever university you have, just Google whichever university is the best university in this, which have the high rank. Then choose that university and submit that. So let me choose that. So Technical University of Civil Engineering. So I am choosing this. Now, then you have to choose a domain, ID domain. This is the preference one. Now choose the preference two. You can choose any other university. Then it should load, and you have to choose the subject, your second preference, and then click on preview your application. So you have to apply directly at the same application. So you must upload Romanian language proof. So we need some language proofs. Click go back and review. I have chosen some university which do not provide. So let's upload some English certificate proficiency. So now I am ready to review. Just click on this preview your application. All documents must be uploaded. So now it should wait for the this application preview. Just wait for a few seconds so that page can load. Here you can check there are no validation errors. All mandatory information is filled in. Just we have to confirm. Now just cross check. Click this. I understand the application rules. So it should reload. Once you tick this, application page will reload and it will take you to a submit button. So here you can check there are no validation errors. So congratulations, you are almost done. Go back and review if you have any. Just click on this, submit your application, click OK. So our application should submit, and please be aware that once you have pressed the submit your application, all servers will be locked. Okay. So I hope you have understood this process, and our application should be so your application has been submitted successfully. You will be notified via email when the evaluation process is complete. Please check your spam and jackbox. So we have to just now wait for the results. It will be in our email. I hope you understood this process. If you like this video, if it was easy for you, please press the thumbs up button. And before messaging us, if you have any doubt, just message us to get to this scholarship link. Please check the video description, link is given there. And before messaging us, please subscribe us so that we can found your data easily and access whichever doubt you have. I am signing off for full scholarships. Please subscribe. Have a nice day ahead.